वालेकुम सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
Assalamualaikum sir.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, how are you all?
Assalamualaikum sir. Waalaikum sir.
वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि।
Assalamualaikum sir. I am fine. Thank you sir.
So, students, today we are going to start a new topic, which is solid shapes. Okay, we are going to learn about solid shapes. Earlier we have learned flat shapes. Okay, and now so student, what are flat shapes? The shape which we can draw on a paper. Okay, draw on floor. Okay, so plane shapes are 2D shapes. Okay, plane shapes are 2D shape. They have 2 dimensions. Plane shapes having 2 dimensions only. Two D shapes. Okay, so I told you some plane shapes, which is square, rectangle, okay, square, rectangle, circle, oval, okay, triangle, like these all are plane shapes, or you can say flat shapes, because they have only 2 dimensions. Look here, this is the length, okay, and this is the breadth. It has 2 dimensions only, length and breadth. It is not having thickness. Okay, plane shapes do not have thickness. So that's why they are called 2D shapes. Okay, now I'm telling you about 3D shapes. Okay, or solid shapes. Solid shapes, or we can say 3D shapes. Student, you can write in your notebook also. Take out your notebooks. So what are solid shapes? The shapes which occupy space. The flat shape, which I told you that they do not occupy space. Okay, but solid shapes occupy space. Okay, and they are also called 3D shapes. They are called solid shapes. Sorry, 3D shapes. Here 3D means, students, can anyone tell what is meaning of 3D here? Yes. 3D stands for dimension. Okay. 3D stands for 3 dimensions. The shapes which have 3 dimensions. Okay. That is length. You can write. They have length. Okay. Breadth and height also. And in plane shapes, I told you that plane shapes have only length and breadth. Okay, that's why they are called 2D shapes. But solid shapes having length, breadth and height, so that's why these are called solid shapes. Okay, so some examples are. Can anyone tell some examples of solid shapes? Yes, students.
Teacher, I can tell. Cuboid.
Yes. Very good. Some examples are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere. Okay, all these are solid shapes because they have 3 dimensions. Let's see this. Examples are cube, cuboid, cone, sphere, cylinder. Okay, so we'll learn about these solid shapes only. Okay, cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder, these all are solid shapes. Okay, we will learn about these shapes only. So let's see this. Yes, student, what shape it is? Can you tell?
Sir, this is cube.
Cube. Very good. So this is a cube. C-U-B-E, cube. Okay. And why it is a solid shape? Because it is a 3-dimensional figure. Okay, it is 3D figure. Why it is 3D? I told you in 3D is solid shapes are 3D shapes which have length, breadth and height. Okay, so look here, it is having some length. Okay, you can see this is length, this one. Okay, this is length, this is breadth and this is height. Okay, it is having thickness also. It is having length, breadth and some thickness. So that's why it is a 3D shape. Okay, earlier I told you plane shapes. This is a plane shape. Why it is a plane shape? Because it is a 2-dimensional only. Okay, it is not having thickness, but in cube it is having thickness. Okay, it is not having height only, it is having length and breadth only. Okay, This is height. You can note down it. This is length. Okay. The figure which have some thickness called solid shapes. Copy it in your notebook.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
if you,
Sir, yes.
sir, I not done second one. Sir, you see me second one.
Which second one, beta?
Sir, 2D I not write it.
So just write it only solid shapes. 2D to I have already taught earlier.
Sir, which one page? Sir, I not write it.
Beta, video.
Sir, which one page?
Beta, I am telling from my side only. I am not teaching from book. Okay, so don't ask page number, just write it quickly in your notebook. Is it done, everyone, or not? Yes.
No, sir. Sir, I not write 2D.
Beta, I have posted video on school app, okay, of 2D shapes. When I taught 2D shape, na, that video I have posted on school app. You can watch and you can copy, okay, in your notebook, whatever I taught there. Okay, right now, so write solid shapes. So solid shapes are also called 3D shapes, okay, because they are having 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. SM is Ian.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what do you want to ask?
Nothing, sir.
So why are you raising hand? Okay, student, let's move on. I'm sharing this page on your WhatsApp, okay? You can copy from there also. So here I have told you cube. It is a cube shape, okay? So can you tell me some examples of cube shape? Yes, students?
Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. Ice Cube.
Yes.
Ice Cube.
Yes, very good.
Rubik's cube. Ice cube. Sir, Rubik's cube.
Yes.
Ice cube. Ice cube. Sir, ice cube.
Yes, very good. And some boxes also having a cube shape. Okay. How you will identify that a cube? It is a cube shape. It is having a square shape faces. Okay. The faces of cube is of a square shape. Okay. If you see the faces of this figure, you will see a square. Okay. All sides equal. Now come on the next figure, which is cuboid. Okay, so cuboid is made up of, yes, rectangular faces. Okay, cuboid is made up of rectangular faces. We can make cuboid by rectangular faces. Okay, so like this we can draw a cuboid. Okay, this is a cuboid. Why it is a cuboid? What is the difference between cube and cuboid, student? Can anyone tell?
Sir, please tell question.
What is the difference between cube and cuboid?
Cube of square faces and rectangle, and cuboid is made of rectangle. And cube is made of.
Very good, very good. So cube is made up of square. Okay, and this figure cuboid is made up of rectangular faces. Okay, it is having rectangular faces. Look at this. The length of this is the longer side of this, means length, and this is breadth. Okay, this one is length, it is length, the longer side. The longer side is called length, and this one is shorter side, it is breadth. Okay, and it is this box is having some thickness. This is the thickness, or you can say height. Okay, length, the longer side, and the shorter side is breadth, and this is the thickness. Okay, which is height. Okay, so it is a 3D shape because it is having 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height. Also it is 3D shape, or you can say solid shape. So can you tell me some examples of cuboid? Yes, students. Examples.
Juice box.
Yes.
Cycle box. Pencil box.
Yes, very good book. Yes, Yes, some examples of cuboid: book. Okay, book is having cuboidal shape. Okay, or you can say brick, which is used in making houses. Okay, bricks, books, box. Okay, some cuboidal box is also there. Lunch box. Okay, lunch box also having cuboid shape. Pencil box. Okay, all these are having cuboid shape. Okay, students, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So student, now I am going to show you some solid shapes like cube and cuboid. Examples of cube and cuboid. Have you written this? First write this, then I will show you some images of cuboid shape and cube shape. Yes, Asher, you have to write in your notebook. Shams Malik has given some examples: matchbox, chalk box also. Very good. You can write matchbox. Okay, many examples are there, etc. Yes, mobile also, Aliza. Mobile also having cuboidal shape. Yes, are you able to see this, students? Yes, student, tell me, are you able to see this? These are some examples of cube.
Cube.
Yes, these all are
Cube.
cube. These objects having shape, cuboidal shape. Okay, sorry, cube shape. A die. Okay, ice cube, sugar cubes, chalk box, gift box. Okay, these all are having cube shape. Yes, SM is Ian. Understood? SM is Yan. Okay, students. So now I'm showing you cuboid. Look at this box. This is of cuboidal shape. Okay, it is having length. Okay, and this is breadth, and it is having some height also. Okay, this is having some thickness or height, so it is a cuboid shape. Okay, and the faces of this shape is of rectangular shape. Okay, the face of this box is rectangular. Okay, have you seen, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now I'm going to tell you about cone. Okay, this is our cone. Okay, it is a solid figure. We make cone like this. This is a cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Can you tell me some examples of cone?
Sir had to keep on. Ice cream cone.
Yes, very good. Ice cream cone.
Sir, with fish. Sir, birthday hat. Sir, hat.
Yes, ice cream cone. Funnel also. You can say birthday caps. Okay, birthday caps also look like this. Cone. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday caps. Okay, look at this figure, students. It is having one curved face. Okay, this is having one curved face, this one, and this is the flat face. Okay, circular flat face. So it is having only two faces. Okay, one curved face. Okay, this is curved face. Okay, we can, and this is the flat face. This is flat face. It is having only two faces. Note down it quickly. Yes, Shams Malik, Christmas tree. Yes, Christmas tree is also an example of cone. Okay, etc. Are you writing, student, in your notebook or not?
Sir, I write it. Yes, sir, I am writing.
Okay, write it
Sir,
quickly.
I am writing. Sir, I have done.
Do it quickly, then I will show some images of cone shape. Yes, look here. These are some examples of some images of cone shape. Okay, top, it is having also a cone shape. Joker's cap, sharpened pencil. If you see this part, it is all having cone shape. Okay, this is funnel, it is also. The bottom part of cone is flat. Okay, this circular part, down one. Okay, this is flat face and this is curved face. Now student, look at this one. This is also like a cone shape. Okay, this face is curved. Okay, this is curved face and this one is flat face. Okay, this is flat face. It is having two faces only, one curved face and one flat face. Okay, understood, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now sphere shape. This you can say sphere. SPHE SPHERE, sphere. Okay, but it is not a sphere, it is a circle. Now I am making a sphere. Okay, now it is a sphere. It is looking like circle. Okay, Examples of sphere. Yes, student, tell me some examples of sphere.
Ball.
Very good.
Sir, ball. Sir, moon.
Balls.
Sir, ball. Sir, moon. Sir, cap.
Very good. Moon. Moon is also having sphere shape. Okay. Ball, moon, sun. Earth is also having sphere shape. Okay. You can say earth.